Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's that 2007 Porsche 911 Turbo in Guards Red. What a gorgeous car. This car has under 50,000 miles on it. Really, really nice condition. It has PPF covering the entire front clip. Wheels are all in great shape. This had the clutch replaced. I think it was October of last year. We did the job here at Porsche. Let me show you this engine. Just beautiful and clean. Nice that you can actually see these. In later cars, you can't even see the engines. Again, the wheels are all in great shape. In addition to the clutch, we recently, to get this car ready to sell, did a major tune on it, major service, including replacing the spark plugs. We also did a brake fluid flush, and of course the oil and filter change. It says Porsche's 18-way seats. You get additional bolstering here around your shoulders and your hips and your thighs. You also have these two buttons here, which adjust these bolsters out and in. Nicely accented with the red seat belts, as well as the trim pieces. Very, very minimal wear on the bolsters. So get inside. As it sits, 43,028 miles. I'm going to start it up. Six-speed manual. And the old CD player. Just everything is just so clean. Sport chrono stopwatch up here. We do have what we now call Racetech's Alcantara with a headliner, the sunroof cover, Bose stereo. Just a super nice example. If you're in the market for one of these, this is a nice one. Reach out, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.